What is going on, traders? Welcome back to the Traveling Trader. In this video, I'm going to discuss Tesla and how to trade Tesla before Battery Day, which is on September 22nd. I've done a number of these Tesla trading videos before binary events like earnings, the stock split, and you guys seem to be finding them very helpful. And now we're going to discuss Tesla trading strategies for Battery Day next week. And we're going to be looking at some options data to try and predict what the short-term stock movements will be. But if you get anything out of this video, please leave it a thumbs up. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what your cost basis was on Tesla if you're already in a position, and if you're not, whether you plan on buying Tesla before Battery Day. And without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so I just want to say that none of these strategies replace the golden rule of trading, which is buy the dips. I talked about this time and time again. Even after the split, I said that the next time I'll be buying Tesla is at a retest of one of the major moving averages. And as you can see, it retested the 50 moving average a few days ago where I bought in. Essentially, you want to fade the market as much as you can, meaning buying when everyone else is selling and selling when the masses are buying, selling into those rallies. That golden strategy, in my view, is irreplaceable. Some of these strategies I'm gonna talk about here are more risky. They might be ancillary, meaning you would use it side by side with your main strategy of buying the dips. So let's take a look at the chart and some of the options data that I was talking about at the outset of the video. That way you can understand some of the trading strategies I give you. And if you want access to our trading group where I send out all of my Tesla strategies, we're currently up almost 90% on a put credit spread on Tesla. We're also up pretty significantly on the buy the dip opportunity that I was discussing at the 50 moving average. If you want access to all of my trades, link is in the description below. We have over 780 traders talking strategies, entries, options, stocks, etc. Link is in the description. All right, guys, here is Tesla's chart, and here is that bounce off the 50-day moving average that I was talking about. After selling into the split rally, this is where I was comfortable buying back at. Remember, you want to fade the market as much as possible, meaning buying when people are selling on the way down and selling into these rallies. Now, here is why I think Tesla is going to hit around $500 soon, whether it's Battery Day or shortly before or shortly thereafter. I'm not a fortune teller, but here's why I think it will hit that. Tesla routinely, first of all, has a history of making double tops. And you'll see here, like back in 2018, Tesla formed a double top, a very similar pattern to what might happen now. You'll see that again in 2018, Tesla formed a double top. And you can go back as far as you like. Here's 2017. Tesla has a history of forming these double tops. So what I suspect will happen here is we will likely see a double top formation of some sort. Now, this is corroborated by the rising RSI, the rising stochastic RSI, and also the fact that next week on September 22nd is Battery Day. Now, I don't particularly subscribe to a stock rallying before a known event. Markets are efficient, meaning if you know about it and I know about it, then everyone else knows about it unless we're insiders. But this is common information, and everyone would be rich if a play was this obvious. However, the price can rally based on unexpected events or the expectation of an unexpected announcement. So yeah, we all know about Battery Day. We all know about a potential million-mile battery. But what if Tesla and Elon announce something that is unexpected? Well, if you take a look at his Twitter account, which he knows very well how to control the narrative regarding his company, you'll see that he says many exciting things will be unveiled on Battery Day 9/22. Now, this is obviously cryptic on purpose, but it can definitely fuel a round of hype buying, especially now that the split has taken place and their stock price is actually a lot cheaper than it used to be. Now, I have more for you. This isn't just empty predictions. If you take a look at Tesla's option volume. This is very important because options volume can be used to predict stock price movements. So let's take a look at Tesla's option open interest for next week, expiring September 25th. Remember, Battery Day is September 22nd. So if we take a look at the open interest, you'll see that on the call side, we have a lot more open interest than on the put side, meaning that the sentiment of stock traders is mostly bullish. And look at these strikes. I mean, we're talking about 450, 460, 90, you know, even above 500, we see a lot of contracts exchanged, meaning that the market is ultra bullish on a positive and large move by Tesla. And if we take a look in Thinkorswim, I really like the tools that Thinkorswim has for options. If we take a look at the September 25th, you would think that there was earnings or something happening on this day, because look at the implied volatility. It's 131.9%, meaning the market is expecting a large move, and the plus or minus is $80 from this price. Now, based on the news, based on the hype, based on the number of call options versus put options, based on the chart that I shared with you, where Tesla is bouncing off of the 50 moving average and the other indicators, I'm willing to bet that a bullish move is more plausible. Now, I did my job and bought the dip at the 50 moving average. So what can you do? Well, if you're just a simple stock trader, for one, you should have already been in Tesla, but if you're not, you can simply buy the stock at this level. It's not my favorite spot because I like buying in the red, and Tesla already had a 13% day today, but it's not a bad move if you're trying to plan for an expected bullish move in the coming days/weeks. However, I do expect that after Battery Day, we will see another drop off in the same way or in a similar fashion that we saw post split. So what else can you do? Well, as I told you at the outset of the video, we had a put credit spread, and it was the 248, 252 strikes on Tesla. And you could see the alert for the 248, 252 put spread that I sent out on September 8th. Now, we got really good value for that put credit spread because Tesla was on the way down, and I was banking on it finding support at the 50 moving average. So when the price goes down, the value of put options goes up, meaning we were able to get a lot of premium for that option. You likely will not get that because Tesla is now rallying again. So what you can do is actually play the call side, is wait for a rally and then sell a call credit spread, which is technically a bearish position, but you're banking on Tesla finding some resistance here. And the higher that the price goes up, the more expensive call options get, meaning you would be able to get a lot more for your money if you sold a call credit spread. So you can come into something like Thinkorswim or whatever options platform that you're using, and you can pick the September 25th or give yourself, buy yourself another week and look at October 2nd. And you can in fact sell a call credit spread. So if you came down to around the $500 mark, which is a 28 delta call, you could sell the 505 call for $112 a contract. And if Tesla doesn't go over $500, then you get to keep that entire amount. Another thing you can do is sell a cash covered put. I did a video on this, check my last video if you want a tutorial on how to sell a cash covered put. But you can essentially sell a cash covered put on Tesla expiring, let's just say, a month out. And if you sold the 300 put, you could sell it for $845. And if Tesla doesn't hit $300 by October 12th or October 16th, you get to keep $845. Now, obviously, if Tesla hits 300, you'll be obligated to buy at least 100 shares of Tesla at 300. So you would need some cash on the side to employ this strategy. I'm just giving you some ideas here. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you got anything out of this video, leave it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below how you're playing Tesla. If you're in Tesla, what your cost basis is. What do you think is gonna happen on Battery Day? Let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. If you want access to our trade alerts, link is in the description below, so sign up for that. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace.